Let's make an Italian Zabaione or Zabaione. Like this. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Let's make this Zabaione together. We need strawberries. Cut into cubes. Add the strawberries to a bowl. Add some sugar. It will help the strawberry to get nice sweet texture. Keep it aside. Give a quick mix in between. Boil some water. To make the Zabaione, we need a glass bowl. So just enough to touch the bottom. Water has to be hot. Separate the eggs. We need only the yolk for this beautiful Italian dessert. Whisk the egg. Add sugar batch by batch. And let the sugar melt. As soon as the sugar is melted, place the bowl on top of the boiling water. It's called as bain-marie. Whisk continuously. I am using here the Mexican liquor. Traditionally, they use Marsala, but this is so good. You can use any sweet wines for this one to get the flavoring. Add the sweet wine batch by batch. Whisk continuously. You can use a beater if you like, but I prefer on a whisk because it takes just 5 to 6 to 7 minutes. It will be ready. So it's a very quick dessert. Whisk until the custard is thick. Remove from the boiler. Let's get plating started. So get the strawberries onto a glass, whichever glass you prefer. Fill with 2 scoops of strawberries. Pour the custard, the Zabaione, on top of the strawberries. I'm garnishing here with a rich plum cake and a biscotti. And it looks like this and amazing. And plum cake and biscotti recipes are there in my channel. Let's taste now the Zabaione. Wow, nice creamy, and the strawberry enhancing and the Mexican liquor. It's a perfect combination. If you like it, please try it. And if you like it, share it, comment it, and subscribe my channel, Joss Moses